Okay, we're going to look at how inner text is actually different than text content. A lot of people think they're the same, but there's actually a few differences. Okay, and that's going to be line 16 right here. I'm just console.logging it. Okay, right now the text content and the inner text look exactly the same. What's the difference? Well, one, text content takes into account extra white spacing. If we go to the HTML, you see how there's only one space between Philip and Lamb? What if we add a few more spaces? Now watch this right here. I'm going to save it. The spacing for the text content actually jumped to match the HTML, but the inner text did not. Okay, so inner text automatically eliminates extra white spacing for you. Okay. Now, what if inside of an H3 we have another element like span, and span is going to say hi. Okay. You see, for the text content, it actually skipped a line and then it puts hi, because here we skipped a line. Okay. But for inner text, it does not, because it saves white spacing. Now, there's more differences than this. Let's take a look at what MDN says. Okay, so besides the white spacing, right, text content gets content of all elements. That includes white spacing, script, and style, the elements that's not even for text. Text content returns every element in the node. Inner text is aware of styling and won't return the text of hidden elements. Okay, this means inner text takes into account your CSS. So if inside of your CSS, you have a display none, then inner text will not display it because it looks at the CSS. But text content will display hidden elements. All right. Last one, both text content and inner text remove child nodes when altered. What does that mean? Well, let's see. Let's go back. Let's do inspect. Let's go to our console. Now, look on the left, we have line 16. We have an H3, but it has a child element that says hi. Okay. We select that and we select my tag dot text content is equal to a random number. Let's see what happens. You see, it removes, and actually both of them, both text content and inner text, removed all of the child elements, even if you have more than one. Okay, it removes all of them. And that's what MDN means by this part right here. Removes all child nodes when altered. Okay, I hope that helps. Let's move on to inner HTML.